Following are instructions for the installation of Enduro Engineering's rear axle pull, part number 23-056, and front axle pull, part number 23-055. First, the rear axle pull, part number 23056. With a small screwdriver, pry out the plastic plug from the end of the left side of the axle. Be sure to deburr the hole. Apply a small amount of thread lock to the threads of the axle pull. Insert the axle pull into the left side of the rear axle and rotate the handle near the top of the swing arm as is shown. Now tighten the axle pull using a 5 mm Allen wrench or T-handle. If you have questions regarding this or any product from Enduro Engineering, please feel free to email us at sales@enduroeng.com or call us at area code 517-393-2421. And now, here are the instructions for the installation of Enduro Engineering's front axle pull, part number 23-055. To begin, use a 27 mm socket or wrench to remove the front axle nut. Then use a 10 mm socket to remove the plastic plug located inside the axle. Now insert a long rod or screwdriver into the right side end of the axle and punch out the aluminum plug as is shown here. Apply a small amount of thread lock to the threads of the supplied 6 by 45 mm center bolt. Now insert the bolt through the axle pull handle and thread it into the end of the supplied star nut until the threaded end of the bolt is even with the outside edge of the star nut as is shown here. Check to be sure the lock tabs on the star nut are angled back toward the axle pull. Now hold the axle pull assembly up to the right side of the front axle as shown here. Insert the star nut into the hollow part of the axle by tapping the end of the center bolt with a dead blow hammer until the center bolt bottoms out into the center of the axle pull handle with a handle against the axle. Now rotate the pull handle until it's behind the fork leg. Then tighten the axle pull using a 5 mm Allen wrench or T-handle. Reinstall the front axle nut and torque it to the motorcycle manufacturer's specifications. If you have questions regarding this or any product from Enduro Engineering, please feel free to email us at sales@enduroeng.com or call us at area code 517-393-2421. Thank you for purchasing products from Enduro Engineering.